Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPad 10th generation must run the required iPad OS, and you must be signed into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication. Once done, open Settings and tap your name to verify account and payment info. Make sure location and Siri permissions are allowed under privacy so the intelligence features can use context. Next, connect to a stable network and plug into power if battery is low. This prevents interruptions while core components download and install. You now enable Apple Intelligence from Settings. Go to Siri and search, then choose Apple Intelligence and toggle the core capabilities you want. Once enabled, tap each category, Suggestions, Writing, Photos, Summaries, and grant specific permissions so the system can analyze on-device data or use iCloud for syncing. Make sure to read the processing details. On device modes, keep data local, while iCloud Sync shares across devices. After selecting options, allow any background downloads to finish before using the features. Finish by testing each intelligence feature. Ask Siri a contextual question, use writing suggestions and notes, and view photo summaries. If something fails, restart the iPad first and confirm iPad OS is fully updated. This resolves many activation issues. If syncing or permissions look wrong, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in, or reset network settings. One key troubleshooting tip: enable analytics sharing temporarily and capture diagnostics. Then contact Apple support with that report. If problems
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.